Hey everyone, Philip from Scan Unlimited, and I'm so happy to be back and doing another feature update video. Before I get into that, I just want to say that I hope everyone is staying safe out there, and I hope that you're still able to grow your Amazon business even during this difficult time. From the conversations I've had with other sellers, it seems that business is actually picked up since the crisis has started. So that's fantastic news that you're able to continue building your Amazon business even during this tough time. So let's get into the new features that we've introduced. There are three main ones that I want to go over. First is going to be the new upload process. If you would be so kind to show us some appreciation for the new features that we added, all without increasing our subscription price, I'd really appreciate it if you could give this video a thumbs up, that really helps out the channel. The channel is pretty small, so any bit of help would be appreciated. So the new upload it's been reworked so that it's a little bit easier, especially for newer Scan Unlimited users, to get started scanning without having to really look up how to do it. So basically, just like before, we're going to go ahead and say new scan, and I'm going to drag and drop a file here, and you'll notice that the upload component has become a little bit wider, and the reason for this is that we've added a preview of your file that you uploaded. So sometimes if you've seen one of my older videos, I'll open the Excel file in a separate window so that you guys can take a look at it, but now the whole file is in here for you to see, and this makes mapping the columns a lot easier. Choosing the starting position is now a little bit more intuitive, because now you just click the line where your data starts. So in this case, I want to start on line 2, where all these labels are in the file. Now, this is actually a good transition to the next feature that we've implemented, and that is the ability to search by keyword. And what is a keyword search? Like how does a scan by keyword actually work? So if for some reason, and I really want to put kind of like a disclaimer out there, you should not really be searching by keyword if you can avoid it. So what do I mean by that? Meaning that if you have a way to get UPC information or EANs or ASINs or ISBNs from your supplier, please do that, because this is going to be not only a more accurate way to match these product identifiers with ASINs on Amazon, it's also going to be much faster. So I'm always going to recommend users find a way to get this information from your supplier, because your scans are going to run so much quicker and they're going to be much more accurate. But let's say you're in a situation where your supplier really doesn't have any information in regards to product identifier. And I'm going to say it because I know this for a fact, that sometimes suppliers say they don't have it, and it's just about asking the right person at their company or asking twice or 3 times, and they have it. I have not worked with any real company that does not have product identifiers for their products. I just haven't. I don't know how. I can only be, that's as honest as I can get. I have not worked with any company that does not have one of these identifiers. But let's just go with the worst case scenario. You have to do a keyword search. And so what you could do is, let's pretend in this file that there was no UPC column at the end, and you wanted to search by item number. Well, that is possible. You would choose keyword as your search by, and then we would just switch our product ID column to the item column. And it's going to search this value on Amazon. Now, as you can imagine, that is not an accurate way to do it, right? So if I take this item number and then I go to Amazon and I search this here, you can see that right off the bat, I'm not getting these are not Funko items. They're pulling up all kinds of different things. So actually the keyword would really want to be probably Funko and then that item number, and I believe this is what it is, right? The Lost Boys, right? Yeah, so you would want to like modify your file to say the brand maybe first and then the item, because that's basically what the keyword search is doing. You can think of it as it's searching in the search box on Amazon, and then it's going to return as many products as it can. So your file is going to get your scan results are going to be very bulky, meaning for every keyword that you search, you might get 10 plus results. So I'm going to, again, highly encourage people to not do that, not use the keyword search. And there is a little tooltip here to indicate that the scan processing speeds are going to be reduced by 96%. Right now, our scan engine is running at about 300,000 items per hour. And the keyword search is just way slower than the other product identifier searches. So, but you know, it was a feature that a lot of people requested because sometimes you're kind of backed into a corner and you don't have another option. So that is there for you guys. Okay. Now the last feature is a feature that the team here has been working on for a long time. And that is estimated sales. And so we developed a machine learning system to be able to calculate estimated sales based on rank and its parent category. So I should say that this is only available for the US marketplace at the moment, because we have to go through every single marketplace and category to build these models to be able to estimate sales. So it's going to take some time to really spread this across the other marketplaces. And even right now, the feature is in beta, and not every category will return a result where you'll see the estimated sales. But we did cover the main categories. You will see estimates. So the question is, where can you see estimated sales? So there's two places. One is going to be within a scan. So I'm going to open this scan right here. And you will see that there is now a new column near sales rank for estimated sales. And these are monthly figures. So you can see right here in this file, they're all showing estimated sales because they're all in the toy category, I believe. There was one in the office. No, there's a few other categories in here. So yeah, we've covered the main categories. And this can be really helpful when trying to determine how much you need to buy when sourcing an item. Now, the second place where you can see the estimated sales would be in the product detail. So if I open up the product detail page for this item, it will show alongside the historical sales rank information in the product detail page. So right here, estimated monthly sales. So yeah, those are the two places where you'll see the estimated sales. All of these features originated from users contacting us through Intercom, and I just hope that it highlights the fact that we are listening to all of you. We are always trying to improve Scan Unlimited, always trying to add value, and we're a part of your team. So definitely reach out to us. We're here to help you guys, and look forward to continuing to improve Scan Unlimited into the future.